I cannot do that.
You have been sleeping. I'm not coming down. I'm not coming down. Mazi. I was this day I was coming to your house. I don't understand. Why is it that your neighbor, two of them, their wife or their husband, your neighbor, the man likes beating the wife. Why? Every time they'll be quarreling, they'll be fighting. What is the problem? Huh? If that man doesn't like the wife, let him return somebody's daughter. Huh? You shouldn't always use the woman as a punching bag. What is happening? Huh?
My brother.
It's very unfair.
I have settled issues. They are the reason why you always see me here. If you go there now,
are you serious?
This one be insulting the man, this man will be insulting the woman, they will be insulting each other's family.
Maybe who knows if they are still fighting there now?
You say if you go there now, you will see them fighting. My brother, that man don't know anything. Sometimes if I'm just looking at the man, I'll say, this man, do you know anything? How can you, they might be just be beating the woman like that? And that woman is a very good woman, very beautiful woman, very caring woman, a woman that's sweet and very good in bed. Eh? The man just be beating the woman. Man, what did you just say? I said the woman is very sweet and good in bed. Mazi, you mean you have been... Listen, no.
Entering that woman.
No, don't go there. This is slip of the tongue. No. See, my brother, this is slip of the tongue.
You've been sleeping with your neighbor's wife.
I cannot do that.
You have been sleeping with your neighbor's wife. I'm not coming down. You've been sleeping with your neighbor's wife.
You shout. Jesus. It's a slip of the tongue. I don't even know what I said. I was trying to express how bad you are bad. Listen, I did not do that. I cannot do that. I cannot go and start speaking with my neighbor's wife. It's not possible. I did not do that. It's a slip of the tongue. What do you want to shout?
Actually, you're not far from the truth. The woman she's really sweet. Huh? She's really sweet and strong in bed. That man doesn't know what he's missing. Who? Huh?
Have you gone there?
Mazi. I've gone there. Do you think you're the only one that likes good things? Huh? Let them go. You are here shouting. Yeah. You have gone there. Let them go. I even wanted to separate. Huh? I wanted to separate. It's easy. You are better than I think. You are evil, Mazi. You are better than I think.
So you have gone there and you are here shouting. I will shout. I don't know that you have been going there. In fact, your order have done to marathon. Because May
God not allow them.
I don't know why you are my friend. I don't know. It's just as if me and you we are twins. Anything I want to do, you have already done it. Oh, do you want your job? You want your job? Come to think of it that way. Very sweet. I will not take it away from him. Very sweet. I have been praying morning after night.
I will not take it like it from that man again.
What is remaining for me is to poison that man. Let him just go away.
Mazi,
that woman is sweet.
Very sweet.
Very tantalizing.